Making honking noises. That's all your fault.
because of the girl who laughed at the movie theater. She laughs like a donkey.
Well, I didn't hear her, but
You're gonna start the game, honey.
Honk.
Naoki.
Now Yogi. I know! I accidentally kicked it right there! She said it! You said it! You're like John Tron.
I accidentally snorted.
No, she accidentally honked.
Can we start again?
Can we start again? Yeah, I'm gonna restart stream. That was inappropriate. The first 20 seconds of the stream was just us laughing and making weird noises. Stop.
Now Yogi.
I need to highlight that. That was the funniest thing.
Wait. Tell them if they heard that crunching noise.
No, they didn't. No, I don't think. Did anyone hear Leslie sit on a water bottle? Hey, well, hey,
She
Karis,
sat on
how you guys doing?
That cover.